Welcome guys, this is Aadi from Aadi Academy in Algebra Basics. Today we're going to multiply monomials by polynomials. Step 1 for my equation, which is right up here, is to solve the parentheses. So first thing we have to do is multiply 6x cubed by 4x cubed. So 6x cubed times 4x cubed plus 6x cubed times 7x minus 7x plus 6x cubed times minus 3. So 6x cubed times 4x cubed can be written as 6 times 4 times x cubed, which is 6 times 4 is 24, and x cubed times x cubed is x to the 6th. Now let's move on to the next one. 6x cubed times 7x is equal to 6 times 7 times x cubed times x. 6 times 7 is 42, and x cubed times x is equal to x to the 4th. I couldn't find it to the 4th, so imagine this is to the 4th. And we have 6x cubed times minus 3. 6 times minus 3 is equal to minus 18, because 6 and minus 3, and then you have times x cubed. So this would be minus 18x cubed. So our answer for this equation right up here is 24x to the 6th plus 42x to the 4th plus, minus 18x cubed. Thanks for watching. This is Aadi from Aadi Academy signing out.